Oh hi, this is the technician. It's been almost 5 years since the events of Happy Funtime 1, 2, and 3. Don't want to click through all those messy files? Just watch this video and you'll be all caught up.
Used to be this Stephen King miniseries, and it was about a guy who was a janitor at a government facility and got contaminated by an experiment, started aging backwards and getting younger, and there was this assassin guy that was after him. And the guy said, you know, perfect paranoia is perfect awareness. Remember, I used to say that when I was like smoking cigarettes and trying to cover up, you know, the fact when I was like, 17. Hell, that was when I was 16. But anyway, yeah, I kind of want to get one of those bug sweeper things and just like sweep the house for bugs. It's kind of stupid, but I don't know, I'm just feeling paranoid lately. That's kind of stupid. I don't think. Is that how they're doing it now? Just like what they put in my ear? You're not gonna follow me now! There's hardly anything there. It's fucking disgusting. If it gets it out of me, then it's fucking worth it. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, oh, God. Oh. Ah! 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 Oh, God. Ah! It's fucking still there. Oh, God. Ah. There's nothing in there. It's just fucking skin. It's just fucking skin. There's nothing in there. How the fuck do you keep finding me? How?
Am I taking up your spot?
I think, nah, you're sleeping on the couch and I have to keep you company.
Okay.
I need to cuddle with you and I also need to protect you from any outside attackers. So I'm here. I'm your little sentry. Well, she was doing the most adorable little rollover thing, but suddenly Snapchat decided to tell me I had to log in again, so I didn't get to capture it. So that's lovely. But whatever, I gotta scoop their boxes and then go to bed, so whatever. Haven't said one of my wherever you are in the whatever it is I used to say. Oh yeah, by the way, that's my it's my wall snake. Yeah, just in case anyone's wondering, what's with the Spider-Man t-shirt 2 days in a row? Well, I just haven't had a shower yet this morning, and I didn't want to dirty up another set of clothes, so there you go. Not that I owe you an explanation, or anyone. Huh. Oh, Jesus, I'm a mess. It's been years since I've had a nosebleed. Ugh, this is fun. Got it on my chin, too. Lovely. Just standing in the kitchen. Suddenly my nose starts bleeding. And then my damn cat. I mean, I've gotten up most of the stains now. There's a little bit there, I think. Maybe that's just popsicle, I don't know. It was right there in this, oh, yeah, she's gone now. Just left the room. Little fucking vampire cat comes over and just starts licking it up. I'm like, really? Oh well. I got something on my chin here. I had a shave. Oh well. Off to the shower to get cleaned up. You returning to the scene of the crime? Huh? You like human blood? That's not a real good precedent to set there, you know. Not crazy about the notion of waking up with your fangs in my neck at night. So see, it looks like this technician person hacked my Twitter again. What is this, like 2 days ago? I don't see the, yeah, 2 days ago. And I'm trying to think if it was the night before last. I was having to, oh yeah, so they hacked my Twitter apparently again. And it says, oh, hi, follow Dolst on Snapchat, especially tonight before he figures it out. Well, that's great. I'm glad the technician wants to promote my Snapchat, but then I remember the night before last, I was having to log back into Snapchat repeatedly, which typically happens when whatever account you're using gets used on another device. Having used to use Graveside Breakfast Snapchat on a different phone, go back and forth. So I went back and looked through my story, make sure there wasn't anything crazy, and I didn't see anything. So I guess hopefully nobody sent any of y'all anything weird. We are preparing a space for our son. No, not this one. He's the fur baby. He's already got the rest of the entire house. He's good. That's the space for our son that she is about to give birth to. Baby bump. You're gonna get a brother.
Oh.
He's like, is he gonna like claw at me and bite me like my sister does? Probably not. Ooh. I love my life. Do it again, buddy. He's like, no, not with Snapchat on me.
Cat boy.
He's like, Dad, I'll let you feel me move, and I'll let you see. Oh, there you go. Ooh.
You made your hand move.
He did. You can actually see the fabric move there.
Cool.
You can see it actually moving. Hey, Snapazoids. I'm Dolst. Most of you already know this. But I got a few new ads, and as you've seen, I added you back, because that's what I do. I have a lot of cat-related snaps. Surprise, surprise. Apparently having cats is a lot of work. Takes up a lot of time. But having a baby like we're about to, that's probably going to be nothing. No bigs. You just got to keep them fed and watered, right? I mean, there's like self-sufficient after a couple weeks, right? Right? Hey, Snapazoids. It's been an interesting few days. Just about a week, it feels like. I have my phone back. It was being looked at by, let's say, experts to determine what happened to it. It was also as evidence, and it turns out they didn't need it to keep it. The house is mostly cleaned up now. I'm fine. Elkie is fine. Our baby is fine. And the cats are fine. We're a little bit shaken and stressed, but otherwise we're okay. And just looking to get back on with our lives and keep doing what we're doing. I distinctly remember this saying, "Hello world," not "Oh hi world." I mean, it's cute, and I know my little baby's gonna love, like, staring up at it when it rotates over his head, but why is this freaking me out so much?